Hello fellow crafters, this is Sakura's Craft here with Scrappiness to introduce to you all the new Happy Easter Bunny stamp set. This is a 3x4 clear, high quality polymer stamp set that also has the option of purchasing the coordinated die with it. When you first get this stamp, you will need to prime your stamp. So I'm going to show how I prime it. And I do have a Misty. I'm going to be using my stamping platform. You can use any stamping platform or acrylic block that you desire or have in your craft room. Now I did use the stamp, but when you first get a new stamp, you want to prime it. And I do that by rubbing my fingers over the stamp and kind of getting that fog film over it. And after you use it for a while, you'll start to get even stamping and then it gets better. Here I'm just going to place a piece of cardstock, which I believe should be positioned correctly. Yep. All right. And I like to bring my ink to my ink pad to my stamp. And I'm just going to pat some of this on here. Close, add pressure. There we go. Not bad. One more. Plus I do need to put some, I'm waiting for my re-inker. I have been out of a couple of supplies, so I've had to buy some re-inkers. But look at that second stamping. Look how bold and beautiful that is. Now, like I said earlier, this does come with a coordinating die. And with the coordinating die, you just have to center the image between the die. And for anyone that may be new to card making or die cutting, in order for you to use the craft dies, you do need a die cutting machine. That ripped odd. Okay, so you just center it, and then I'm gonna run this through my die cutting machine, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. I think I centered it pretty good, but that is what it looks like once you have stamped and die cut it. Isn't that cute? And you can even color the ears and the feet, maybe the background, maybe use this on a color die. Excuse me, colored paper, embossing. You can have many ideas. Here's a quick card I created with this product. Links to the products are located in the description box below. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get updates on new videos. Can't wait to see you guys soon and see all your beautiful projects. Have a great crafty day.